huh? Hey, Mama, I tried the nesting box. I don't like it. I'm gonna go hide underneath the nesting box. Right? Too many, huh? Too many chiefs? We're in the chicken tractor, or this one I guess would be the quail tractor. This is their new home for the quail. I just put them in their nesting box so they could know that it was there, but they actually like to hide up underneath. I don't know if you'll be able to see them. They like to watch. Oh, where are they? They like to hide up underneath the nesting box. There he is. See? Yeah, so Mama, I like to hide up underneath it. That's more fun. Right?
Here's the finished quail tractor. Got it positioned in the front yard here. The quail are usually like hiding in that box, but I'm guessing they're under the box. They like going under the box. I don't see any loose. Yeah, they're all crowded up underneath the box. I can see them. Okay, I found some quail right here. Couldn't see them. Zoom in. Kind of see you guys moving. Wow, they camouflage so well. There's two of them right down there and you just can't see them. But this is good, they love it. I didn't even see you guys. You camouflage so well. Look at, there's more in the back there. I see you raising your head up. They love it. They really like it. All right, guys. This is gonna be their first night. Let's hope the coyotes don't get them.